Okay, come on. Yes. Oh, that looks so. Oh, girl, you always gotta be extra.
I did this, you tried that. You copy me, that's my swag. That's my style, give it back. 3 words. I said Trish!
Hey, creeps, and welcome back to The Butter is Going. You guys, I was on Twitter, and when I was on Twitter, I saw this lady eating something, right? And I was like, baby, I gotta try it. Now, even though I don't know how to cook, that is okay. I can figure it out. One thing about a Gemini, we gonna figure it out. Now, the irony about my vegan apron is so funny to me because we're about to eat some lobster tails. Oh, let me let y'all see them. Hold on. Okay, this is my amazing lobster tails. I got them from Numunde. Is that what it's called? Numunde? Numunde? Whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Numunde. So let me go and rinse these off and we gonna get to cooking. And what is so special about lobsters? These little big things was $10.99 a piece. That is like 11, really 12. Baby, this lobster thing, it better be that good. Okay, so now that we've cleaned off our lobster, that is a lot of stuff. I saw that they cut it down the middle with the scissors, and that's what we need to do. Okay, so they cut it down the middle, and they stopped right here. Then they pulled it up, split it out, and set it on top. Okay, so we're gonna cut this thing, the scissors. Oh, Jesus. Is this the right kind of scissors? He cut it. You know the what? Okay, there it go. Oh, shit. Am I hurting the lobster? Oh, Lord, he did. This is too difficult for some meat. Why is his shell so tough? What they got going on in the ocean that it need to be like this? This ain't right. Come here, little heifer. Get up. I'm gonna be back. I told y'all, look, don't play with me. One thing about it, I'm gonna figure it out. So then he did it like that. He set them on top, spread it open. Okay, hold on. Oh, gotta keep it cute. Hold on. Open can. Open can. Oh, girl, she wanna open all them other times on camera when I ain't paying attention, but when I want her to do it, she'll open can. Open can. Oh, girl, open can. Girl, she is really trying it for the camera. Now, you better not open up when I'm not paying attention, because I ain't got time for them in the comments over and over and over, because those stupid ass want to open. Open can. Can open. Open can. You know the what. I'm going to get rid of this shit. Boom, and then you open it up. You see that? Let me get this excess water out of there. Okay, y'all see that? Look, nice, beautiful. That is so beautiful. Now that we've done that, we have to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Y'all know what's coming up. So there you go, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do 8 because I want like a nice little dipping sauce. So we're gonna just do boom. Cause you know I got all this. Yeah, I'll probably do 8, maybe 16. You know, I love a little good sauce. Cause it said 3 tablespoons. That was just that 1. What y'all think? Y'all think that's good? It's just me. I'm gonna do 16. I like a lot of sauce. Oh, I gotta put the butter on the stove. Why is it that? Hold on. Okay, so we got the stove going. Boom, there it is. Let me get our butter. Let's let that heat up for a second. I am so excited to try this, y'all. Y'all don't understand. This is gonna be so good because I got this special ingredient and y'all gonna be like, oh, bitch, you did that. Oh, yeah, you did it. Oh, yeah, you did it. Oh, yeah, you did it. Is the stove hot? The stove is going. The lobsters are split. The seasonings are waiting. And the lemon juice is juicing. Okay, so we're gonna put these in there and go on. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Okay. Oh, the stove might be too hot. The stove is too hot. Oh, my God. Okay. Oh, shit. The butter is going. Okay, the butter is going. Oh, Lord, the butter is melting. Oh, my God. There's a lot going on. I get so nervous when that butter starts going. The butter is going. Okay. Oh, I might get a little bit more butter than this. I can do a little bit more butter. Add some more butter. I just don't want the other butter to burn. Oh, the butter is popping. Oh, that look good. Yes, that look good. The butter is good. Okay. Brr. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is not gonna be enough salt. Girl, I am black, honey. We can do like 3 teaspoons. Okay. The butter is almost done. That's not gonna go inside there, is it? We're gonna have to eyeball this. This is so difficult. Why would you get this kind? You know what? Sit that one out. Oh God, the butter is going. Okay. That's boom. That's boom. Maybe I should have did that once the butter was done. Okay, I think the butter is done. Cut that off. Okay. Oh, please don't break this. Is that gonna pop? Oh, is this glass gonna pop? That's hot. Oh. Okay. I don't know how this shit work. Okay, so the salt is in there. It's a tablespoon of that. So we just gonna do like 2, right? I don't know. Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Come on, stick with it. Boom. That's gonna be more than I don't know. Hell, this is too much work just to eat. This one I don't like cooking. It's like you gotta do too much just to have a good meal. Nobody don't want to sit in the kitchen and do all this. I should have just got the regular stuff, trying to be cute for camera. Okay, then it said 1 teaspoon of paprika, but to see that 1 teaspoon was supposed to only go if I did 3 tablespoons or whatever of the butter. Is paprika hot? Good. I'm gonna just do 2. That's a lot of butter. Oh God, that looks real spicy. Uh-oh. Oh shit. That look like juicy crab. Okay. Oh, this is high cholesterol, ain't it? Oh Lord, I'm so antsy. Okay, move the stuff out the way you done used. Okay, boom. But this don't really got no taste or nothing. It's just for the looks, right? So I'm just gonna do 1 of that. Cause I don't really need all that extra shit. Okay, boom, there go that. Brr. Then it said 1 teaspoon of onion powder. This is garlic. It did say garlic. Okay, we're gonna do 2 because remember I did 2 of everything else. So boom. Ooh, garlic is really strong. I'm gonna do 1.5 because garlic is strong. It's looking like a good old boil. Ooh, that look like a good boil. Then it said add your own Cajun. So I'm gonna do the seafood magic. Put that in there. Boom. Then a little bit of this Old Bay. I know that I might be doing too much, but hey, I don't care. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Clean it off. Do a little bit of that Old Bay. Boom. And then whatever this King Cajun Spicy Louisiana is. I don't know, child. We just experimenting. Okay, boom. So that's 3. 3 teaspoons, but of different stuff. Oh, baby, that look good. I don't care what y'all say. That look good to me. That look good to me. Oh, I'm eating that. They spreaded it on the, oh Lord. Oh, wait, no. Put it on the thing so the liquid could fall. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Y'all see that? I'm cooking. Yeah, there it goes, though. Yeah, though. Oh, baby, I'm that girl, honey. Oh, shit. It's supposed to put lemon juice. Oh, that could just be on, that could just be at the end. So I'm gonna just do 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't really want a lot of that. Do I? I have. Oh, that's 2. Boom. All right, the lobster is seasoning. So there go my sauce. It looks really, really, really good, you guys. And then there go my lobster. Now it says bake for 15 minutes on 450. So that's what I'm about to do now. 15 minutes. Boom. Oh shit. Bake on 450. Okay, bake time. Oh shit, we don't want to start it yet. We don't want to start it yet. Oh God, hold on. The lobsters are going. Okay. Oh, ooh, smoking. The lobsters are smoking. Okay, come on. Yes. Ooh, that looks so, oh girl, you always gotta be extra. All right, there go my lobster, y'all. Ooh, that looks so delicioso. Okay, y'all see that? Boom. Now it's time for the special ingredient. Okay, so now that we've done all that and I made my sauce, let me show you what the special ingredient is. Boom. Yeah, so we're gonna crunch these up. Okay, so you want it to crunch down like that to where it turns into a powder. Okay, so I got me some water, just in case this big boy is hot. All right, so you just take it off. Yum. Well, I am so ready. Cause y'all know I love spicy stuff. Hold on. Ooh, I did that. Oh, I did that. Can't waste no meat. This thing was $10.99. Okay. Oh, God is great. God is good. Let us thank him for our food. By your hands, we all be fed. Give us love, my daily bread, my Lord, my shepherd. I shall not want. I cooked it. I cooked it. So I know it's prepared by blessed hands. Oh! I know it's prepared with love. I know it's prepared with almighty faith and understanding that it was going to nourish my soul. So all I want is whoever cleaned this lobster to be so filled with love and joy. They cleaned it like they ain't never cleaned a lobster before. And I hope this lobster swam till he couldn't swim. I hope he crawled to the bottom of the deepest blue sea. So everything that he was supposed to see lived for as long as he was supposed to live. Explored when he was supposed to explore. So that he can let it go into me and I can have all the power that he had. Amen and thank God. All right. I'm an ancient lobster. Okay, so you put it in here like this. Ooh, yes. And then, let me see what my little sauce tastes like. Oh, baby. I'm double dipping because I'm by myself. Oh, baby, that's busting. Oh, baby, that's busting. Oh, baby, that's busting. Okay. Oh, baby, that's busting. Oh, baby, that's busting. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh, that is hot and good. I was gonna try to do a little mukbang. You can't even talk. This it. If y'all ain't made this before, I need you to go on down to your local store. Go on down to your local store and go get you one. That's some good sauce. Who made that? They put their foot in that. Who made that sauce? Ooh, who made that sauce? Who made that sauce? My little booty hole gonna be buying that? I don't care. It's worth it. Oh, this could not be healthy. I don't even know where to go. It give it like a fried lobster thing. It was like you fried it, and then I don't know, like it's like fried, but it ain't fried. I'm gonna say that for tonight. That's gonna be a little midnight snack. I don't even know if I can save it. So, I know y'all like, God damn, slow down. All right. Oh, water. Who cooked that? Who cooked that? They cooked that? They really cooked that? Oh, that be juicy crab. Oh, that be juicy crab. I ain't even gotta go to juicy crab no more. Oh, baby, I can cook. Oh, yeah. All that. Under the sea. Under the sea. Have nothing better, though is a cooker. Take it from me. Under the sea. Oh, bitch, I can cook. I did that. Go tell Sebastian and Ariel, come up here and eat some. Oh, that is good. That lobster was a good lobster. That lobster had to be the lobster of all lobsters. He lived a good life. Ain't no way he was that good. He didn't have no little seafood taste, no nothing. That was a good lobster. That was a good lobster. Fresh. Tender. One rough, like no rubber. You know when you usually go to the restaurant, they be rubbery. You want rubber? 45 minutes, 450 to 15 minutes on 450. Perfect. That was good. That was good. And that did it. That did it. Ooh, now I just want to go swim. You know how like you just ate something so good that you want to go do where it came from? I just want to go swim. Just float in the water just because. I could probably snorkel. I could snorkel. Deep sea diving. Just because I ate a lobster, I feel like I'm a part of the ocean. Like it's a part of me now. It was that good. I'm a part of the ocean. You feel what I'm saying? Like that's how good it was. I could wrestle a shark, bitch. Don't play with me. It was that good. I'm that confident. I'm one. All right. Y'all gonna try it. Don't take my word. Don't take my word. Do yours. Like I always say, God only made one you. If you don't be you, then nobody else will. And until then, cue the music.